Good afternoon, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. I'm your host, Velvet Davis. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. So, in today's video, we're going to be talking about an app called GiftLoop. Okay, so this is an app that you can do multiple things on. You can swipe, you can win prizes, win money, you can do bonuses, there's a choose button here where you can choose what you want to do, and these are your gift cards here, and these are your account. I'm going to go through them one by one, and I'll show you what you can cash out for. So the swipe button is you just swipe here, and you see here it takes you to my referral where I can refer friends, and I copied it so I can put it in the link in the description below so you guys can sign up if you choose. If you just swipe, you'll see that you can collect 5 coins and continue. See, I did that. And it gives you 5 coins. So you can earn 5 coins a day. This is a daily thing, okay? So you just keep swiping. Keep swiping and you can watch a video. And I'm not going to do that right now, but you can watch a video and earn 50 coins. And you can do this, I believe, up to 5 times. And they have other apps you can download and earn. And here's another 5 points. So you can earn alone off of the swipe screen. Just by swiping and doing the videos and getting 5 points, you can get coins off of the swipe screen. You can also get coins for unlocking your phone. This is the win tab here. You can play a video and the prize you'll win is an Amazon gift card. The bonuses, you get this daily specials. You get to come on here and it'll say daily login. You can click on that where it'll say collect, and you just collect coins. Right now I don't have anything to collect. But when you log in daily and you use the app daily, you'll have time to come on here and choose and earn points. Okay, so hold on one second. Let me move this out the way. Okay, so here's the choose tab here. You can get coins for doing cashback. You can complete all the other offers. You can install apps, take surveys, and also they have quizzes, trials, and more videos. Okay, so the one that I highly recommend is the surveys, because you get between 100 and the most I've gotten up to was 400 for doing a tap research survey. Today I did a survey and I got 3,000 points for it, and that was really fun. But remember, with tap research you get disqualification points. So with this particular app, you get 100 points if you disqualify from it. If you get the actual points and you complete the survey, you get the actual point. You get the actual amount here. You see there it says 2,700 coins. So if you complete the survey, you get 2,700 coins, and that's a lot. Okay, so now we're gonna go over to the gift section. But if you're used to installing and running apps, this is good because it does work. There are some on here, like for instance, we'll come over here. Let me just show you this. Because when I first downloaded or installed GiftLoop on my phone, I was installing apps. Like, it would say, open this app and use it for 2-3 minutes, and I would do it. So there's a whole bunch of apps right here. If any of you are used to playing casino slot games, all you gotta do is complete level 18 and you get 78,250 coins. Okay? The casino slot games are worth it if you're willing to play that long and get to that level. Looney Tunes is a fun game. I've played Looney Tunes. It's a really fun game. But most of these is install and open. You just have to look through it. Most of them are install and use it for 2 minutes. And this is where you find the videos. You just push the play button and it'll play. And when it's done, you exit out of it and it gives you 50 coins. and it has a cap out for the videos. I'm not sure exactly when that is, but I believe you only get to do 5 videos a day, so I would take advantage of that. So now I'm going to show you the gift cards you guys can earn. We have Amazon, Walmart, Visa gift card, Burger King, Papa John's, IHOP, Krispy Kreme, Dunkin' Donuts, Petco, Groupon, Target, Walmart, Amazon, all these. Okay, and as you guys see, here's PayPal for 300,000 coins, and as you can see, I have finally gotten 301,871 coins, which means I can now withdraw to PayPal. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back. I'm going to give it until tomorrow, and because I don't know exactly how long it takes to redeem on GiftLoop, and I'm going to do a payment proof video tomorrow. If I get it later on today, I'll come back on here later on today, and I will do a payment proof video, but right now I don't know how long it takes. I'm just letting you know that I've reached my 300,000 coins, and I'm able to withdraw $15. So if you're interested in using GiftLoop, I will leave the link in the description below. And that's basically it. Excuse me. You know, if you guys are the type of people that like using apps to make money, GiftLoop's one of them. I mean, yes, 300,000 coins, in my opinion, is a bit much for $15. You know, the amount is a lot lower than the coins you have to get for it. So I could see if the amount was higher and it was 300,000 coins. But it's $15. $15 is nothing, but I'm just saying, like, 300,000 coins is a lot. It took me, if I would have I kept uninstalling and reinstalling this app. So that is why it took me so long, okay? So I just didn't think I was going to get to my 300,000 mark. It just, you know, I wasn't using the app every day anyway, but I just started back up using it. Been using it for the past week, and they recently upped the points you get for unlocking your screen. So, that's basically it. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you guys, you know, join GiftLoop and try to get to your 300,000 coins. You have to use the app. Consistency is the key. Remember, I told you that. So, if you're going to use this app, just dedicate at least not even an hour. Just come on here and just dedicate some time into it, because it's worth it, because it's really a fun app, and I enjoy using it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care, you guys.